replacing the battery and speaker covers. Before we get started, let's make sure we have everything we need. Find a nice, flat, clean surface to work on. To replace the battery and speaker covers, all you'll need is a credit card, guitar pick, or similar for leverage. Keep your replacement part at hand for easy access, and I also recommend keeping a cleaning cloth or maybe a few wet wipes around. Let's start with the battery and speaker covers. The battery is behind the left speaker unit. Removing the speaker covers is super easy. You can do it with just your fingers if you like, although I would recommend a credit card or similar. Lift the cover by pulling it away from the speaker using the credit card for leverage. Easy does it. Once the left speaker cover is off, you'll see the battery sitting snugly inside. You can simply lift it out of the compartment to replace it. Just be sure to hold onto it tightly as you do so. Inserting the new battery is even easier. Make sure the front side of the battery, where you can see the Fairphone logo with the tiny battery icon on the top right, is facing up. And then slide it into the compartment until it clicks into place. You may need to press down gently on the battery to make sure it's in there properly. With the new battery in place, all that's left is closing the speaker cover again. Start from the top, moving down and pressing on it until it snaps back into place. And as for your old battery, make sure to look up your nearest recycling center or municipality station where you can safely dispose of it. And you're good to go. Thank you for watching. If you need any more information, check out the links in the description below. You can also check out our online repair tool to help diagnose any issues you might be facing. And that's it. I hope you really enjoy your Fairbuds XL.